Some languages have been lost to the sands of time. Ancient scrolls buried for centuries under volcanic ash have guarded their secrets. Until now. Thanks to groundbreaking artificial intelligence, forgotten voices are being resurrected, revealing secrets that could forever alter our understanding of history. But what if these revelations are not just enlightening, but terrifying? The Scrolls of Herculaneum. In 79 AD, the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius froze the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum in time. Among the ruins of Herculaneum lies the Villa of the Papyri, home to a library of thousands of carbonized scrolls. These delicate texts, preserved yet rendered unreadable by the intense heat, have baffled researchers for centuries. Fast forward to 2023. Armed with the diamond light source, an X-ray machine 10 billion times brighter than the sun, and advanced AI algorithms, scientists have begun digitally unwrapping these ancient scrolls. One word at a time, their secrets are emerging. Researchers began to wonder if there was a way to see inside the scrolls without opening them, and if artificial intelligence, AI, could then help decode what was written. In 2023, AI aided in the discovery of the first word from a Herculaneum scroll. The path to this monumental step built on the AI research of many different labs. One of the first breakthroughs? The word purple, uncovered by researcher Brent Seals. This small triumph marked the first time in 2,000 years anyone had read from these scrolls. What could be next? Some believe these texts belong to influential Roman figures, possibly even Julius Caesar's father-in-law. The potential for rewriting history is immense. Consequently, they shifted their focus to developing the highest possible resolution X-ray scans, believing that AI might be able to detect any subtle differences between the weathered carbon ink and papyrus. Using high-energy X-rays, Seals obtained high-resolution scans of 2 full scrolls and multiple fragments. Given the sheer number of scrolls, Seals and his team asked the public for help. Thus, the Vesuvius Challenge was born, and researchers from the Seals group uploaded the unrolled scrolls and let the public determine a way to program AI to differentiate between ink and papyrus. In August, Casey Handmer described the crackle technique on his blog. Handmer noticed that scans of the scrolls had dark and light channels. This technique of focusing on the dark channels or crackles became known as the crackle technique. Using this technique, another Vesuvius Challenge contestant, Luke Farrator, began training AI to detect and classify dark channels. While difficult to see with the human eye, AI was able to classify dark channels as letters. In October of 2023, Farrator discovered 13 letters that made the word porphyra, which translates to purple. A third contestant, Youssef Nader, discovered 2 words, aniunda, achieving, and omion, similar, using his own technique to identify ink. The Indus Valley Script. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest urban societies, left behind a script that remains a mystery. For decades, scholars have struggled to decode its symbols. Now, artificial intelligence is uncovering the structure behind this enigmatic writing. The Indus people were contemporaries of the Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilizations, inhabiting the Indus River Valley in present-day eastern Pakistan and northwestern India from about 2600 to 1900 BC. This was an advanced, urbanized civilization that left written symbols on tiny stamp seals, amulets, ceramic objects, and small tablets. The Indus script has been known for almost 130 years, said Rao, an Indian native with a long-time personal interest in the subject. Despite more than 100 attempts, it has not yet been deciphered. The underlying assumption has always been that the script encodes language. They then repeated the calculations for samples of symbols that are not spoken languages, one in which the placement of symbols was completely random. If the Indus symbols are a spoken language, then deciphering them would open a window onto a civilization that lived more than 4,000 years ago. The researchers hope to continue their international collaboration, using a mathematical approach to delve further into the Indus script. Through statistical analysis and pattern recognition, researchers have discovered that the script follows a set of rules. suggesting it's more than random symbols. It could represent both sounds and ideas, making it a complex precursor to fully developed writing systems. Imagine an ancient spreadsheet and prayer book combined. The Dead Sea Scrolls hidden for millennia in desert caves. The Dead Sea Scrolls offer a window into a forgotten world. Among these texts is the War Scroll, an apocalyptic tale of a cosmic battle between good and evil. The Dead Sea Scrolls have been a continual source of fascination, both within archaeological circles and beyond, and the new study is not the only piece of news surrounding them to emerge in recent months. In March, archaeologists uncovered new fragments of them in a desert east of Jerusalem, marking the first time that such a discovery related to the Dead Sea Scrolls had been made in nearly 60 years. Those new parchment portions are believed to include text written in Greek from the books of Zechariah and Nahum. For years, the Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek texts remained partially unreadable. Now, high-tech imaging and AI are peeling back the layers of time. The War Scroll describes a final battle between the Sons of Light and the Sons of Darkness, detailing strategies, weaponry, and even the warrior's ages. It's more than a battle plan. It's a manifesto of faith and justice, written for a divinely ordered world. The Mayan glyphs. The Maya civilization left behind intricate glyphs recording their history, beliefs, and astronomical observations. Once an unsolvable puzzle, these symbols are now yielding their secrets thanks to AI. LiDAR technology has allowed archaeologists to uncover previously unknown Maya cities and infrastructure, revolutionizing our understanding of the scale and complexity of their urban planning and agricultural practices. Linguistic analysis of Maya glyphs has revealed a sophisticated understanding of the spoken language, including the use of homophones, metaphors, and complex grammatical structures. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone of the Mayas in 1952 was a critical breakthrough, allowing researchers to draw parallels between the Maya script and better understood writing systems, paving the way for further decipherment. The application of advanced analytical techniques, such as DNA analysis and multispectral imaging, has enabled researchers to uncover previously unreadable or faded Maya inscriptions, expanding the corpus of available data for study. Databases of glyphs and advanced software are identifying patterns and meanings faster than ever. AI, trained on deciphered texts, predicts meanings for new glyphs, unlocking stories from a civilization that charted the heavens and recorded their rituals with unmatched precision. Pompeii's graffiti. Frozen in time by Vesuvius, Pompeii's graffiti offers a candid glimpse into ancient Roman life. From love notes to political jabs, these scribbles capture the voices of everyday people. Modern tools like high-resolution imaging and AI have uncovered writings previously invisible to the naked eye. These messages provide intimate details of life in Pompeii, bridging the gap between us and a world lost nearly 2 millennia ago. Tutankhamun's meteoric dagger. In the treasure-filled tomb of King Tutankhamun lies a dagger that's out of this world, literally. Its blade is forged from iron that came from a meteorite. For decades, scientists puzzled over this unique artifact. Ancient Egyptians were skilled metalworkers, but iron was a rare commodity during Tut's reign. The mystery was solved in 2016, when researchers used X-ray fluorescent spectrometry to analyze the blade without damaging it. They discovered high levels of nickel and cobalt, elements rarely found in Earth's iron but common in meteorites. This celestial blade showcases the Egyptians' ingenuity and their reverence for the cosmos. Hidden Roman roads. Beneath modern streets in the UK lie hidden Roman roads, testaments to the empire's engineering prowess. Using tools like LiDAR, a laser-based technology that scans through vegetation and soil, archaeologists have uncovered these ancient highways. In Lancashire, a 10-mile road connecting key Roman towns was unearthed, revealing trade routes and travel patterns from centuries ago. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how the Romans shaped the world beneath our feet. Viking longships rediscovered. The legendary Viking longships, once sailing the seas with fierce dragon-headed prows, are now buried treasures beneath Norwegian soil. Ground-penetrating radar, or GPR, sends radar pulses underground to detect ship outlines without digging. In 2018, a A 20-meter Viking ship was discovered in southeastern Norway. These finds reveal not just the Vikings' shipbuilding skills, but also the lives of the people who built and sailed them. Ötzi, the Iceman. Discovered in 1991 high in the Alps, Ötzi the Iceman is a time capsule from 5,000 years ago. His clothes, tools, and even his last meal were preserved by ice, but modern technology has truly unlocked his secrets. X-rays and CT scans revealed an arrowhead lodged in his shoulder, hinting at a violent end. DNA analysis uncovered his health issues, diet, and even lactose intolerance. Ötzi's story is a bridge to our ancient ancestors, preserved by nature and unraveled by science.
The Neanderthal voice. What did Neanderthals sound like? Researchers are using 3D models of skulls and vocal tracts to recreate their voices. Fossilized hyoid bones and vocal cords offer clues to their range of sounds. These findings suggest Neanderthals could produce complex speech, challenging stereotypes of them as primitive. Could they have had language? It's a question reshaping our understanding of human evolution. The Terracotta Army's builders. The Terracotta Army isn't just an artistic marvel, it's a mystery of human collaboration. Scientists have used DNA analysis to study bones of the workers who built this massive tomb complex for China's first emperor. Hair findings reveal a diverse workforce from across the Qin Empire. Each warrior, chariot, and horse tells the story of a society united in creating one of history's grandest legacies. Did you know that some of the most legendary mysteries of history are being unraveled with cutting-edge technology? From ancient cities lost beneath the waves to hidden corridors in pyramids, today we're diving into fascinating discoveries that connect the past to the present like never before. Underwater archaeology, the lost city of Dwarka. In Hindu mythology, the ancient city of Dwarka was said to be the home of Lord Krishna. Legend has it that the city was swallowed by the sea centuries ago. For the longest time, this was thought to be just a myth. But guess what? Modern technology is proving otherwise. Underwater archaeologists off the coast of Gujarat, India, have uncovered massive stone structures, streets, walls, and even what seems to be a harbour. Pottery, jewellery, and anchors have also been found, pointing to a thriving city lost to the waves. Carbon dating reveals these artifacts could be as old as the time Dwarka was believed to exist. Isn't that incredible? Pompeii's fast food joints. Next up, let's travel to ancient Pompeii, a city frozen in time by volcanic ash. Among its many secrets, archaeologists have uncovered something surprising: fast food joints. These ancient snack bars, called thermopolia, were where people grabbed quick meals on the go. Using 3D modeling, scientists can recreate these bustling spots, complete with food counters, storage jars, and even graffiti left by customers. And by analyzing residues in jars, researchers have figured out what was on the menu. Imagine biting into history, quite literally: the Great Pyramids, hidden corridors. Even the mighty pyramids of Giza are giving up their secrets. Using thermal scanning, researchers have detected strange heat anomalies, suggesting hidden spaces inside these ancient wonders. In 2023, a 30-foot-long hidden corridor was uncovered near the Great Pyramid's entrance. Thanks to thermal imaging and advanced muon tomography, we're unlocking the mysteries of these architectural marvels without a single drill or dig. The Nebra Sky Disk. Have you heard of the Nebra Sky Disk? This 3,600-year-old artifact is one of the oldest maps of the night sky ever found, decorated with gold symbols of the sun, moon, and stars. Thanks to modern technology, researchers are piecing together how Bronze Age people understood the cosmos. It's like stepping back in time to gaze at the night sky through their eyes. Easter Island's Moai statues. Think the famous Moai statues on Easter Island are just heads. Think again. These massive stone figures actually have full bodies buried underground. Centuries of shifting earth have hidden their intricate carvings and details. But with modern tech, we're uncovering the full picture, giving us new insights into the culture and rituals of the Rapa Nui people. Although Champollion's work had huge impacts on our understanding of this ancient language, there are still mysteries that we may never solve. This is because the materials we have are incomplete. This fragmentation can make it difficult to understand some words, but the issue is worse when there are words that only ever occur once. In these instances, there is nothing for us to base our translations on, and so the word's meaning remains unknown. But overall, our understanding of the language we do have is pretty certain, and the ease at which we can translate ancient Egyptian is becoming more advanced with developments in AI and deep learning technologies. Although tools like Google Translate are specifically optimized for contemporary languages, their increasingly sophisticated AI-powered features will likely help scholars with historical language reconstruction in the future. Google Translate can already translate Latin, and it is likely that the past holds countless secrets, and with every technological leap, we're getting closer to unveiling them. From lost cities to hidden corridors, these discoveries remind us just how connected we are to the people who came before us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the crossroads of history and technology. See you in the next adventure.